Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning show where we speak slowly and clearly so you can feel relaxed and confident while listening. My name is Sarah, and I am feeling good today because I slept well and started my morning calmly.
Hello, friends. My name is Ali, and I am very happy to be here with you today because this topic is close to everyone's life. I am feeling fresh right now, and talking about healthy habits makes me smile because small habits can really change our days.
Before we start our topic, Ollie, let me ask you something simple like friends do in daily life. How was your morning today, and did you start it in a healthy way or a lazy way?
That is a very honest question, Sarah, because my morning was a mix of both healthy and lazy. I woke up early and drank water, but I also stayed in bed for 10 extra minutes and looked at my phone.
That sounds very real, and many people can understand this feeling. Today's topic is healthy habits for a better life, and we will talk about small actions that help our body and mind feel better every day.
Yes, healthy habits are simple things we do again and again, and habit means something you do often without thinking too much. We will use easy English and real examples so everyone can understand and feel comfortable.
Before we continue, we want to say something friendly to you. If you enjoy learning English with us and feel relaxed while listening, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is also learning English.
Thank you so much for supporting us, because your support helps us keep making calm and useful English conversations. Now let's start talking about healthy habits from the beginning of the day.
In the morning, one healthy habit is waking up at a regular time, which means waking up at the same time every day. This helps your body feel balanced and not confused.
I agree with that because when I wake up at the same time, my body feels more active. Another healthy habit in the morning is drinking water, and water helps your body wake up slowly and gently.
Yes, drinking water is very important, and important means something we really need. I like to drink a glass of water before tea or coffee because it makes me feel fresh inside.
After that, eating a healthy breakfast is also a good habit. Healthy breakfast means food that gives energy, like eggs, fruit, or bread, and energy means strength to move and work.
Some people skip breakfast, which means they do not eat breakfast, but that can make the body feel weak. I feel better when I eat something small, even if I am not very hungry.
Another healthy habit is moving your body, and moving means walking, stretching, or light exercise. I do not go to the gym every day, but I try to walk for 10 or 15 minutes.
That is a great habit because exercise helps both the body and the mind. Even simple stretching in the morning can make your body feel less tight and more comfortable.
Let's talk about healthy habits during the day, because health is not only about mornings. During the day, taking short breaks is very healthy, and a break means stopping work for a short time.
Yes, breaks help your mind rest, and rest means giving your body and mind time to relax. I like to stand up, drink water, and look away from the screen during my breaks.
Another good habit is eating slowly, because eating slowly helps your stomach and helps you enjoy your food. When I eat too fast, I do not feel good later.
I feel the same, and eating slowly also helps us listen to our body. Listening to your body means noticing when you are full or tired.
Drinking enough water during the day is also a healthy habit, and enough means not too little and not too much. Sometimes I forget to drink water, and my body feels tired.
Sleep is another very important healthy habit, and sleep means resting your body at night. When we sleep well, we feel happier and more focused the next day.
Yes, going to bed early is not always easy, but it is good for our health. I try to stop using my phone before sleeping, but my phone does not always agree with me.
That is funny and very true because phones are everywhere. A healthy habit is also relaxing before sleep, and relaxing means calming your body and mind.
I like to listen to soft music or read a little before sleeping because it helps my mind slow down. This habit helps me sleep faster and better.
Healthy habits are not about being perfect, and perfect means doing everything right all the time. Healthy habits are about small steps and trying again every day.
That is very important to remember because everyone has lazy days. The key is to start again and not feel bad about mistakes.
Now we want to ask you a simple question so you can practice English naturally. What is one healthy habit you already have, and what is one healthy habit you want to start?
Please write your answer in the comments, even if your sentences are simple. Writing helps you remember words and feel more confident.
Before we finish, let's repeat some important words naturally. Healthy habit, water, breakfast, exercise, rest, and sleep are very useful daily words.
Words like energy, relax, break, routine, and balance are also important for talking about a better life. You can use these words in simple daily conversations.
You are doing a great job by listening and learning step by step, and you should feel proud of yourself. Learning English with real-life topics makes it easier and more enjoyable.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today and learning in a calm and friendly way. Keep practicing. Take care of your health, and remember that small habits can make a big difference.
Take care, stay healthy, and keep believing in yourself.
Bye-bye, friends, and we will see you again very soon.